Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to delete the temporary files and improve the laptop performance. So let's get started. So what you can do is you can just go to the start and here you can type the run. Once you go to the run, you can here type the temp, then you can click on OK. So here it will show all the temporary files stored in your system or the laptop. Here you can select all the files by pressing Ctrl A, or you can press the delete option. It will delete all the temporary files. Okay, so we have deleted all the temporary files. Again, go to the run and here you can type percentage temp percentage, then press OK, and here you can select again all, then by pressing Ctrl A, then press delete option. So here it will delete all the temporary files stored in your system or the laptop. Okay, so what I will do is I will just close this. Then what we'll do is we'll go to the settings. Once you go to the settings here, you can click on the storage. So here you can see the three different options: installed apps, temporary files, and other. So let's try to select this option, temporary files. So here what you can do is here you can select all the checkboxes except downloads, because once you go to the downloads folder, you might have some of the important files which you might require. Okay, so before deleting all the files in the downloads, just make sure that you want to delete it or not. So what I'm doing is here I'm not selecting the downloads option, I'm selecting all other options. Then we'll try to click on the remove files. I will continue this. So it's getting deleted all the temporary files and the folders. Again, I will select this temporary internet files, remove files. So we have deleted all the temporary files and the folders in our laptop. So this will improve the laptop performance and the speed. Okay. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.